In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your side engine splash shield on your Kia Soul. It's located behind your front wheel. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to take off our wheel. If your wheel is stuck, put one lug nut back on and give it a good whack with a rubber mallet. And remove your wheel. There are two bolts, one here, one here. We're going to take those out with a 10mm socket, and this cover should come right off. Once you remove the bolts, you can remove the engine splash shield. Next, we're going to put this in and bolt it up. Get your other bolts started. Now you can tighten them down. Install your wheel. You're gonna start your lug nuts by hand. Once you get those started by hand, you're going to start at the lower one, walk the wheel on. And then tighten in a star-like pattern. Using a 21mm socket, I'm going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.